Very good morning, student. Already we are learned say lesson 2 history, one verse and fill in the blank and give reason. Today we are going to discuss about give short answers. The first question, write the circumstance that led to the Battle of Panipat in 1526. And second, I read the question, write the circumstance that led to the Battle of Panipat in 1526. The answer, Babur did not have any ambition behind Punjab still 1524. Then a great opportunity came knocking, who the Dilbar Khan, who was the Talat Khan Lodi's son, and Alam Khan, who was the uncle of Sultan of Delhi, arrived in Kabul to seek Babur's help and removing in the Delhi Ibrahim Lodi from power. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in the famous Battle of Panipat in what is the year 1526. And question 2, mention the human recaptured the Delhi throne in 1555. Sir Shah defeated Humayun at Sausa 1539. And again at Kannauj, Humayun defeated and overthrown had to flee to Iran with the help of Persian ruler Shah Tamaza of Savid dynasty. Humayun succeeded in recapturing the Delhi, what is the year 1555. Question 3, write a note on Man Safari system. The answers, Akbar introduced the Man Safari system. According to the system, the noble, civil and military officials were combined to form one single service. Everyone in the service was given in the Mansaba, meaning the position or rank. And Mansabadar was the holder of such a rank. Mansabadar rank was dependent on chart and savar. What is the chart and savar? Once again I read the write a note on Man Safari system. Answer, Akbar introduced the Man Safari system. According to the system, the noble, civil and military officials were combined to form one single service. Everyone in the service was given in the Mansafar, meaning a position or rank. And Mansafar was the holder of such a rank. Mansafadar rank was different on Sat and Savar. Next, the answer the following. First question, describe the land revenue administration of the Mughalas. Answers, land revenue administration. First point, land revenue administration was done up during the reign of Akbar. Raja Todarmal, revenue minister of Akbar, adapted and refined the system introduced by the Sir Shah. Land revenue administration was turned off during the reign of Akbar. Raja Todarmal, revenue administrator of Akbar, adapted and refined the system introduced by the Sir Shah. According to the Sabha system, after the survey, lands were classified according to the nature and fertility of the soil. The share of the state was fixed at 1/3 of the average produce for 10 years. The Mughal emperor enforced the old Ikta system, remaining is the Jagir. It is a land tenure system developed during the period of Delhi Sultan. Under the system, the collection of the revenue of an area and power of governing it were bestowed upon the military or civil official, now named Jagardar. Every Mansafar was the Jagadar if he has not paid in the cash. Jagadar collected the revenue through his own official. Those appointed to collect the revenue from the landholders were called Jamindars. What the name called? Jamindar. Jamindars collected taxes and maintained law and order with the help of Mughal officials and soldiers. The local chieftains and little kings were also called Jamindars. The next question, estimate Akbar as the pattern of learning. Answer, Akbar was the great pattern of learning. His personal library had more than how many manuscripts will be available? 4,000 manuscripts. He patronized scholars of all beliefs and also shades of opinions. He extended his the benevolence to authors such as Abdul Basil, Abdul Basi, and Abdur Rahim Khan Aykonan, the great storyteller of Birbal, commandant officials like competent official like Raja Todarmal, Raja Bhagavant Das, and Raja Mansingh. The great composer and musician Dansan and artist Daswan Adon Akbar Kut as well. Up to this 3 short answers and 2 detailed, you have studied well. Thank you, student.